Hi Emerson, congratulations on your appointment. So you are Mr. Pilipinas Cosmopolitan. How does it feel?
I feel very humbled and I express my gratitude to all the fans and also to Kuya Azer and Aris for always supporting me. I'll make sure to bring home the crown here in the Philippines. So watch out.
All right. Konting teaser. Kailan nyo pa nalaman? Kailan mo pa nalaman yung title mo?
Actually, hindi pa po namin nalalaman, hindi pa po sinasabi sa amin kung anong title namin. Nagulat na lang po kami kanina nung tinawag po yung mga names namin earlier.
Also, it was really a surprise.
Yes, sobrang surprised po kami. Even kami hindi po namin na-anticipate na ganito po yung title na nakuha namin. Pero we're very happy kasi nakuha po namin yung mga naaayon naming mga titles.
So, eto ba yung title talaga na ginusto mo? Or you were expecting a different one?
Actually, Mr. Cosmopolitan is actually one of my wish list when it comes to title itself because napakaganda po ng ng mga platforms nila and culture itself. Thank you.
So, ngayon na alam mo na kung saan ka lalaban. Alam mo na ba kung kailan pala?
Around October, I guess, because ganun din po yung last year. Pero hintayin po natin yung announcement.
And ano ng mga naiisipan mong preparations for the competition? International competition.
Wow, parang sarap naman pakinggan ng international preparation na tayo ngayon. So, ano tawag doon? More on pasarela, QA training, and also, syempre, we need to be physically fit. So, we need to gain weight more and to pakita kung sino ba talaga ang totoong Emerson Gomez na.
All right, thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you so much. See you soon, guys.